is a healthy steamed chicken with no added water, so you get a delicious savory sauce that's full of pure chicken essence, and it only takes 10 minutes of prep work. First, prepare the sauce with fermented black beans, spring onions, coriander, ginger, light soy, fish sauce, oyster sauce, white pepper, salt and sesame oil. Now for the chicken. Slice it into bite-sized pieces, then spread the sauce all over. I'm using the Panasonic QB Steam Oven, which has a spacious interior, multiple cooking functions like convection baking, healthy frying, and also auto menus that I'm using to steam this chicken, so I don't have to check on it or worry about the timing. When it's done, garnish with some spring onions and it's time to eat!